welcome back. So we are going to be going over our math lesson for the week, and we're going to be reviewing again quadrilaterals. So we're going to start back off here in the teacher portfolio, and you're going to go to Technology Integrated Instruction Tools and scroll down to Screencast Assignment. From here, you will see this, and all you have to do is go to the top right corner and click on this little box with the arrow. This will bring you to our quadrilaterals worksheet. So this is our first step in the assignment this week. There are 2 steps to this assignment. So the first one is going to be to match the definitions to the quadrilateral. So for instance, which one has opposite sides that all are parallel and all sides are equal. You're going to just drag it and drop it. But first, we need to make a copy and rename it with our first name and last initial. So we're going to do make a copy. I'm going to go over here. And mine, for instance, is going to say Tamara D. Classifying Quadrilaterals Worksheet. We no longer need the original now. So now we're going to work on here. And then you will be able to individually work on this. All I want you to do is just match it up, follow the arrows. Like if this one is this one, you're going to move it up here. Move this one down here. Right? Okay. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them to classify. Once you have done that, then I would like you to go to the second part of our assignment, which is going to be on math games. So we get to play around with that a little bit today. So you're going to follow this link by hitting Control and then hovering over it, and you can just click it right there. And remember, your logins are going to be your first and last name, and then your S number or your student number that you use also to get into your computer. So for instance, Susie Ann, and then her passcode for her computer is 12345. This is just an example. So once we come here, you're going to need to log in. So this is where you need that login. So we're going to log in. Oh, sorry, sign in. Sorry. And like I said, we're going to do Susie Ann. And then when you log in, it'll bring you straight to your home page. And you will see that I have assigned this Classifying Quadrilateral Shapes game. So you're going to click on it. And you're going to start it. So we can do the first one together. I'll show you kind of how it works. And the good thing is, as soon as you're done with this assignment, it's only 10 questions, and it automatically sends me a report that you're done. So for the second part, you don't have to do anything. We're going to let this load. And if you need help figuring out the definitions of our quadrilaterals, go back to last week's assignment where we watched that video. So that is still in our Google Classroom link. This is taking a while. Bear with me. Keep in mind on here that if you do get stuck and you need help, you can watch a video tutorial, and you can also ask for help from me, and then I can come in and I can know which problem that you're having trouble with. And feel free to, once you do complete your assignment, we're just going to exit out of this area because it's taking a while to load, but feel free, after this, it suggests a game. And if you would like to do 15 minutes of math play, I can definitely see what you do. So you can go ahead and do that as well. And that's all your assignment is going to be. Remember, make sure you share this into the Google Classroom and make sure you make it where you put change to anyone with the link. Remember that. So, and that's all you guys got. Remember, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and contact me on the Google Classroom or email if your parents have questions. All right, see you later.